Okay, so this is just one way I use double stick tape. Basically, I am making plate holders for this for a customer of mine. I started out basically figured out, engineered a template, how it's all going to work out. I'll show you the final product later. But once I went ahead and blanked out all my parts, which I'm making several of them, and I got to do some more work on the bandsaw, but I start out with an oversized piece, and my template, which I made out of thinner material as it's easier to work with. I used a belt sander, made this, so being that it's thin, I'm going to have to space it up a little bit so I can ride the router bearing on it. So I will be taking these little 1/4 inch spacers and applying the double face tape to one side of each spacer, mounting it to the template in key locations. Basically just on these tabs, and the center should hold up just fine. Now that I have this done, I'm going to go ahead and stick this down to the blank, which is 1/4 inch clear, which is what the final holder is going to be made out of. So I'll put another layer of tape in between my spacers and my part. I will locate this just so to make sure I have overage all the way around to route off. Make sure everything's real nice and clean so the tape will stick. If there's any dust at all, the tape will not stick. So we want to make sure that surface is good and clean. Drop this down like so. Apply some weight to make sure I get proper adhesion. And I'll get back to you in just a sec.